Today is the day. We are taking apart an old Lonex. Bum bum bum. Yeah, the second pin was completely unnecessary, but it felt right. Yeah, you just pull the charging hand a little bit, then you should get off, yeah, the complete front part and upper receiver. The only special thing about this Lonex M4 is actually that you have to use a special tool or yeah, whatever, but yeah, you have to unscrew the buffer tube a little bit like a real one. No, not like a real one, as you can see, but actually this is a special thing. Everything else is like a regular M4. I'm gonna do it anyway. So yeah, no long screwdriver screw to the buffer tube bullshit thing. That's good. Anyway, this thing has no quick change system for the mainspring, and you can't install one because of the buffer tube design, which is bad. The thing is okay. This is something you should mention always if you disassemble something. Look for the cables and change out fucking bad motors. This thing is very, very bad. Okay, the cables, in this case, the red cable is bent to the other side, and both cables are on one side of the motor. This is something you should remember for reassembly. If you do this wrong, it's very hard to get the motor to the proper height, and your gun will make very bad screeching baby sounds. This is not cool. This pin, as I mentioned several times now, has one side with a stippling on it. This side has to go out first, and you're not hitting the stippling through your complete body, because this pin will get loose, and this is bad. The screw from the mag release actually looks a little bit bigger than the ones in the stock, in the motor plate, but actually they're the same. So you only need one hex screw size here. So then you get out this bolt catch. In this case it's very easy, sometimes you have to hit it. Okay, so you press down this side and then you should be able to just get out the bolt catch. Nice, done. Okay, this pin again. Okay, and the gearbox should be free now. Now you wobble around the fire selector a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. One beautiful Lonex gearbox. We will just look inside of this thing next video. And this here, the bolt catch assembly, is actually pretty cool. This is unique, and I guess it's a little bit better than most of the you know what I mean. Other guys building guns made it worse.